Hello everybody, my name is Lingxiao and my partner's name is Harrison Chen. So we have done is we made an application to calculate the electricity consumption for certain appliance in your house. So the reason why we did this thing is because we see a lot of people when they leave their house or go to sleep, they just don't turn off their appliance, which wastes a lot of energy and costs them a lot of money. So if we have this app, we can tell them that how much the certain appliance is going to cost in certain months, so that they will realize that they need to turn off the appliance so that energy and cost will be saved.
So Harrison here, we're gonna talk about what we did. So I mainly designed the UI and was responsible for linking everything together. So I just want to take you guys through a walkthrough of how to use the app. So first of all, you select your appliance. So let's select the oven, for example, and then you want to enter the amount of watts it uses per hour, and for example how long you use it to bake cookies every day. And then you want to select your state, so let's do Illinois, and then you want to select between residential costs or commercial costs, so we'll do residential, and then it'll calculate for you, so it's $1.1388 per hour.
Dollars per month.
Per month, sorry. And I just want to pass to Lingxiao.
Okay, talking about the API, so we both made a version of API. I made a version of address, and he used states as an input, which I feel like the states is kind of cooler, since you can just use the spinner view to select the state and calculate the cost. Another things that I did is the algorithm for calculate how much it cost. Okay, talking about the difficulty, so what I've encountered is mainly about the API thing. A lot of the time it just give me like 403, but it turns out that I did not input my URL like correctly. And another thing is that my partner actually used a fragment view, and it takes me a lot of time to figure out where should I stick my algorithm in and how should I like show the final result. Okay, Harrison?
Okay, so I'll talk about the technical difficulties I encountered. One of the technical difficulties we solved was to implement a callback for the API so we could receive the data, just run the function asynchronously. And another thing that we did not manage to have time to implement was the touch feedback function for these text inputs. So usually if you tap outside the text input, it'd be better for the user if the keyboard disappeared, but in this case it stays until you select something from the spinner. So yeah.
Okay, last talking about the future ideas, what we can improve is that we can actually change the states into address, so that you can calculate the price specifically for your house. Another thing is that we can actually tell you the supplier for your electricity for your house, so that you can contact with that company and know more information about electricity consumption. Thank you very much. This is our application.
Thank you.